I take it back. I am a beauty guru. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did my makeup for New Year's Eve. If you saw any of my New Year's Eve videos, you will know that the theme of my New Year's Eve party was hot garbage apocalypse. So my makeup is inspired by that. I was inspired by, you know, kind of steampunk, post-apocalyptic sort of themes. I just wanted to make it really kind of like dirty and grungy, but also glittery for New Year's. So that's what I've done. If you want to see how you could look like this, then keep watching. If you want to be a trash monster, a glitter trash monster, you know? And then here's the hair tutorial. We're just gonna fast forward through the first few parts of my makeup. I did a primer. I'm gonna put on this Beauty Blender foundation. I got a new color actually, 2.3, and I think it works with my skin tone a little better. And I'm just gonna spray my face with this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just pounce that on with a Beauty Blender. Next we're gonna go in with this Tarte Creaseless Concealer in 20S, which is light sand. I'm gonna blend it in with my fingers, smooth out the edges with a Beauty Blender, and then set it all down with this Coty Airspun because I have a lot of it. I don't love it, but I have so much of it, so we're just trucking through that one. The reason I pat it out with my fingers first is because I feel like the Beauty Blender takes away too much product if I initially just blend it all the way out with a Beauty Blender. So I like to get it to where I want it to be and then just do the final blend with the Beauty Blender. I like to go in with this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard, medium 1, to just hit all my zits. And then one right there, and one right there. Urban Decay Primer Potion for my lids. I'm actually gonna wipe away that bake pretty early because I don't need to really bake my face for this because we're gonna do some weird stuff now. One of the most fun things about this look is my blush and bronzer placement. I feel like if you're doing like a post-apocalyptic look or something like that, you can kind of have fun with where you place things. I wanted to look a little bit dirty. I wanted to be a little avant-garde. I don't know. Have some fun with the placement of these things. I'm just gonna take this Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer, which I just got because I broke my unicorn one. It was very upsetting, smashed all the way across the floor, and I'm just gonna concentrate that just all the way right here. And we're just gonna work on making that part dirty. If you want, you can kind of go a little bit in the cheekbones because we still like some definition, but it's gonna be concentrated mostly in this little C right here. And I'm just doing that with a giganto fluffy brush. So next, we're gonna reinforce that dirty kind of sunburnt look around the eyes with this kind of like dark berry blush. This is NoHo from the Urban Decay Basquiat palette, And I'm gonna do that just like a little bit further inward from where the bronzer was laid. And again, I'm kind of just gonna pounce it at first, and then I'm gonna swirl it in. I think this is probably like the weirdest part of the look. I think the rest of this look is fairly wearable. If you're going like out or whatever. I don't know what people do. How do humans interact? Hello, I'm an alien. Just like really pack on that blush because you want to look dirty and sunburnt, because this was a post-apocalyptic look. Really too much it. It's either I'm gonna use the viewfinder as my mirror or I'm gonna use this mirror as my mirror. So sorry I can't stare you directly in the eyes while I do my makeup. I know you like that kind of creepy intimacy. Here, look, I'll try. What I'm doing here is I'm taking a taupe color, you can tell that that one's well loved, and a giant fluffy brush, and doing what I always do with my makeup, which is put in a transition color. So I'm just gonna put that transition color right in my crease. Next, I'm gonna take a dark brown and kind of reinforce that crease. I use a weird brush for this. It's like, I wish you could see what my husband was doing right now. I think he's trying to get around the camera without being in the shot. So he's literally crawling on the floor. Little does he know that this is so close up you guys wouldn't have noticed anyway. Now I'm just calling him out for being a weirdo.
God damn it. Oh. Wow, it really is.
Yeah, it's makeup.
Huh. Perfect.
Focus this on the outer V. I use a weird brush for this. Have I mentioned that I'm not a makeup guru? Not a beauty guru. I just do what I do, you know? Mostly this is gonna help blend out the black that we're about to put all over our eyes. Just all over them. So this is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm not gonna put it everywhere that I want the color. I'm actually just gonna put it like that much, just kind of messy, and then blend it out to where I want it to be. And then I'm gonna use some matte black eyeshadow to reinforce that. So just on like a flat little packer brush and really just pack it on. And I'm trying to just kind of pull it out towards the edge there. And we will blend that out a little better in a second. Dark eyeshadows stay a lot better when they have a dark base to sit on top of. So that's why we do that. And we're gonna also drag that along the bottom here. Looking crazy because I don't have any eyebrows. We're gonna blend this the heck out. So we're gonna go back in with that dark brown, help kind of blend the edges of this out. Then I'm gonna blend it out even more with Desert Vibes from Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. It's just a warm brown color. And you can just drag that right on into all the dirty stuff that you've done before, because no one's gonna be able to see that. And then, just so I look a little less crazy, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Soft Brown. The next step of this is going to be a halo eye, I think is what they call it. So I'm going to take some of this Stila Shimmer and Glow in the color Cloud. This is actually my favorite product ever. I'm probably going to have to buy another one because I'm running out of it, but it's just so glittery. Place this in the center of my lid, and I'm going to use this little brush here to kind of blend it outwards. Boom. Should look like that. And then I'm gonna place some on the bottom lid here and like just kind of like tear it down a little bit. Since it was New Year's Eve, I also used a heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay. This one is in Distortion. I use that to just kind of outline the top line here. And then just kind of bring it down the center. I'm also going to hit myself up with Beamin right here. Just kind of highlight certain parts. Grab some this highlight. Highlight the cheekbones. Cause like we dirty, but we still want to glow. And then I'm gonna use Kat Von D tattoo liner. And I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm not gonna do like a cat eye or anything. And then we're gonna glue stuff to our face, okay? So I have this little container from Target, and these are just rhinestones that I've collected from Michael's. So these are just little like A.B. Swarovskis. I'm just gonna glue a couple little rhinestones where my tears are, because I am extra and you really need to know, just really be aware that I am crying glitter. Okay, I think that's my aesthetic, it's crying glitter. I take this little House of Lashes eyelash glue. I'm just gonna like dot on where I want the rhinestones to be. So I'm gonna put one right here. I'm gonna put one right there. Fine, fine. Be where you feel like being. Taking these little Ardell Demi Wispies. Gonna put some glue on them. We're gonna wait for the glue to get tacky, and then I'm gonna shove them on my eye. Actually, while we wait, I'm gonna do like a quick coat of mascara, because we got time. I think I'm ambidextrous because I always put on my left lash with my left hand. And then the final step here is black lipstick. Or you can put on whatever kind of lipstick you want. And this is just Black Velvet from Lime Crime. And then I just like to clean that up with some concealer and a flat brush. Just because I think that applicator specifically has a hair on it and it just always messes around. Okay, so that is all for my grungy, steampunk, post-apocalyptic, glittery, you know, makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more makeup looks. I'm not a beauty guru, but I do enjoy messing around with makeup and seeing what I can come up with my limited skills. So if you have any thoughts or ideas, leave them in the comments. Maybe I'll do them. And besides that, don't forget to like it, subscribe it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.